Yale Real Living Touchscreen Deadbolt Cylinder Swap. With the keypad escutcheon removed from the door, insert a small screwdriver in the opening at the 11 o'clock position. Gently pry the hidden spring wire up and away from the cylinder. The cylinder and housing will drop out of the keypad escutcheon. Remove the cylinder retention screw and lift out the existing cylinder. Insert your replacement deadbolt cylinder with a lazy cam and same dimension tailpiece into the housing and secure it with the cylinder retention screw. Line up the raised guide on the cylinder housing to the 12 o'clock position in the keypad escutcheon. Press to insert, and the spring will retain the housing in the escutcheon.